Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. This is Raja. In this video, we are going to look at 5 stocks that are trading under $10. I believe they are ready to buy, and those are Sanapta, Ontario, Mobile Ion, OVID, and DNN Mines. So let's get started. Before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. All the information is recorded out there, so you can refer it at any time. And please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming days and weeks. So we will look at each stock and its tracker and as well as its chart and see why it is offering a secondary buy point at this price level. So let's start with Sanapta. It's added to the tracker on 7/23 when it was trading around $5.70, and as of today it's closed well over $6.78, and it's posting almost 20% gains since then. And as of today, I believe it's offering another secondary entry point around $6.78 to $7.12, and the stop loss would be $66.24. So let's look at why this is a buy at this price level. So you guys are looking at the weekly setting for Sanapta. I like the weekly settings because it reduces a lot of daily noise. It gives you some clear trend for the short term and long term trading. And the two indicators that I follow is the 10-week moving average and the 50-week moving average in the weekly settings. You can follow whatever you want, but I believe these two indicators are summarizing pretty much all the technical indicators. So it was added to the tracker on this date when it's found support at this 10-week moving average, and it rallied nicely and it moved sideways. And the last week it's tried to break out, but it failed. But the week before it's broke out, it's failed, and the last week it's regained some of the momentum. So that is the reason I believe this stock is a buy at this price level. And if you guys are into option, I'll be looking at that $7.50 call or $10 call, but the $7.50 is kind of achievable in next 4 to 6 weeks. The volume is not that great yet, but this one has a little bit of volume. So probably if you're an option, you can look at this October calls. The next one we are going to look at is Ontario Resources. It's added to the tracker on 8/12 when it was trading around $4.12, and as of today it's closed over $4.43 and posting almost 8% gain. I believe this is offering another entry point at this price level. So if you scroll down to the main table, you can see the secondary entry point. It was the secondary entry point between $4.43 and $4.65, and your stop loss is around $4.08. So let's look at this chart. It's added to the tracker right here when it's found support. It's 10-week moving average, and after that it's moved very nicely. And the reason it's offering a secondary entry point as it's cleared this consolidation. So that is the reason it's offering another entry point so quick. And if you guys are into options, you can look at the November $5 call. It looks like there are a lot of interest in there. More than 3,000 contracts are out there. So probably you may want to look at that one. It rallied quite a bit Friday, but you can look at it whether it's going to come down or not. So the next stock we are going to look at is Mobile Ion. It is added to the tracker on 7/17 when it was trading around $5.18, and as of today it's closed over $5.81, and it's posting almost 13% gain. So let's see whether it's offering a secondary entry point. So if you come down to the table, you can see that secondary entry point, which is puts around $5.81 to $6.10, and the stop loss is around $5.35. So let's look at this chart and see why it is a buy. So it is added to the tracker right here when it was found it supports its 10-week moving average, and as well as it's regained its 50-week moving average. And here you can see that golden cross, the 10-week moving average took over the 50-week moving average. So the short-term trend has remained upwards, and it's tried to break out here, but it came down and it gave up the week before some of its gains, but after that it's still holding up. So that is the reason it's offering a secondary entry buy point at this price level. And again, if you guys are into the options, probably you may want to look at the $7 call. That look a little bit interesting, or the $8, it has more interest on it, but the $7 look reasonable to achieve in next 4 to 5 weeks. The next one we are going to look at is OVID. It is added to the tracker when it was trading around $6.85, and as of today it's closed over $7.50, and since then it's posting almost 10% gain. And your secondary entry point between $7.50 and $7.88, and the stop loss is around $6.90. So it is added to the tracker as it's found support at this price level on the 10-week moving average, and it's offering a secondary entry point as it's rallied quite nicely. So let's see that it's a couple of calls. You can look at the $10 call, but it just looks like the interest is not that heavy. But you can just keep an eye on it. If it goes up, probably you may want to consider buying it. The next stock we are going to look at is DNN Miners. It is a penny stock. It's added to the tracker on 7/17 when it was trading around 40 cents, and as of today it's close to over 48 cents, and it's rallied almost 20% gain since then. Even though it's a penny stock, it is a stock. Any stock is a good stock as long as it's move the way you want. You can buy Tesla. If it goes down, it's not a good stock for you. So if you buy a penny stock, it goes up, it's a good stock for you. So as long as the stock moves in the direction you want, it's a good stock. So let's look at its secondary entry point. The secondary entry point is around 48 cents to 50 cents, and your stop loss is around 44 cents. And this stock is added to the tracker on 7/17 when it's found support its 10-week moving average and reclaimed its 250-week moving average, and as of after that it's rallied really nicely. Now it's consolidating for 3 weeks, so that is the reason it's offering a buy point. There is some calls are out there, but the $5 way out of range, so probably if you want to play around, that's fine, but they are not reasonable at all. And thank you guys for watching this video. I think it's we went to the over 5 minutes mark. Please check out our website. Please check out our social media sites. We are everywhere, and I will put all the tracker link in the description section. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming days and weeks. And have a great day.